Imagine carrying a laptop that looks like a gamer's dream, but secretly hides the power to replace your desktop workstation. Sounds impossible, right? Well, Acer just did it. At IFA 2025, Acer revealed a machine that isn't just a gaming monster, it's a professional powerhouse built for people who demand everything from one device. And once you hear what's inside, you'll understand why this might be the most outrageous laptop Acer has ever made. Let's back up for a moment. Earlier this year at CES, Acer launched the Predator Helios 18AI, a flagship gaming beast loaded with top-tier Intel and Nvidia hardware. But now, just months later, we're getting a mid-cycle refresh that takes things to another level, the Predator Helios 18P AI. At first glance, it still screams gaming, sharp angles, RGB, and that signature Predator aesthetic. But under the hood, it's designed to double as a high-end mobile workstation. Here's what makes it special. The 18P AI steps up to Intel's Core Ultra 9 285HX vPro, the absolute top chip in the lineup with enterprise-level reliability baked in. Pair that with an Nvidia GeForce RTX 5090 laptop GPU, and you're looking at desktop-class power inside a portable form. But Acer didn't stop there. You can kit this machine with up to 192 gigabytes of ECC DDR5 RAM. Yes, ECC, the kind usually reserved for servers, plus 6 terabytes of storage across PCIe Gen 5 and Gen 4 drives. And because all that horsepower generates serious heat, Acer brought in 6th gen Aeroblade fans, liquid metal thermal paste, and an expanded heat pipe system to keep things cool. Then there's the display. An 18-inch 4K mini LED panel pushing 1000 nits brightness, 120 Hz refresh rate, and full DCI P3 coverage. Whether you're gaming at ultra settings or color grading footage, this panel is designed to impress. And since it's aimed at professionals too, you'll find Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, Thunderbolt 5, HDMI 2.1, and even a SD card reader, a small but crucial touch for creators. All powered by a 99.9 watt-hour battery, the maximum allowed on planes. Now, here's the kicker. This laptop doesn't come cheap. The Predator Helios 18P AI starts at a jaw-dropping €4,999, and Acer hasn't revealed when it'll hit shelves. But think about it. This isn't just a gaming laptop anymore. It's a hybrid machine built for gamers, creators, and professionals who refuse to compromise. In other words, it's Acer's boldest statement yet. The line between gaming rigs and enterprise workstations has officially blurred. So, what do you think? Is the Predator Helios 18P AI the ultimate all-in-one machine? Or is it simply overkill? Let me know in the comments.